Hey guys, my name is Bhavesh and welcome to Built on Shopify. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how you can send invoices to your customers for custom orders. But before that, if you haven't already signed up for Shopify yet, I'll put a link in description that will give you the best deal on Shopify that's currently available. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. Let's go to settings and from here click on notifications. And you can click on customer notifications and click on draft order invoice. So here all the customers, when they purchase a product from your store, they get an invoice like this. This is what the invoice will look like. If you want to edit this invoice, you can do it by clicking on edit code, and here you can edit anything in the invoice that you want to. Now let me show you how you can send a custom invoice to your customers. So let's go back. Let's go to orders, click on draft orders and click on create order. So here you can add in any products that you want to, or even a custom item for which you want to collect payments from your customers. Let me click browse and let me select a few items and click on add. Once I've done that, these items have been added. I can now change the quantity and the invoice will automatically get updated. Now here you can add a discount code, or you can add shipping or tax details if you want to. You can even enter the payment due date. Now you've created the invoice, all you need to do is send it. So here you can click on send invoice and you'll have to provide the email address of the customer you want to send it to. So let me just enter in my email address quickly. And you can also add a custom message. Once you have done that, you can either lock or unlock product prices, or you can also add the discount codes and click on review invoice. So this is what your invoice will look like. If you're happy with it, you can click on send invoice. With this, you have sent the invoice to your customer. Now let's quickly review how the invoice would look like. So this is what the invoice would look like. And your customer can click on complete your purchase. They can enter in their details and complete the order. So this is how easy it is to create a custom invoice for your customers. I hope you liked this tutorial. If you did, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. And if you haven't already signed up for Shopify yet, click the link in the description below. And if you need any help with your Shopify store, you can email me on the same email address provided in the description.